We're going to multiply two binomials. We have the quantity 8 minus y times the quantity 6 plus 5y. And to do this multiplication, we'll use the procedure called FOIL. And in this procedure, we multiply the first two terms of each binomial, then we multiply the two outside terms, then the two inside terms, and finally the last two terms, and then we look to see if we can collect like terms. So let's go ahead and do this, multiplying the first two terms of each of these binomials. We have 8 times 6, which is 48. The two outside terms, 8 times 5y is 40y. Now the two inside terms, we have the opposite of y times 6, which is negative 6 times y. And finally, the product of the last two terms of each of these binomials, the opposite of y times 5y, we'll have minus 5y squared. And now we need to look and see if we can collect like terms. And we have two y terms, so they can be collected. We have 48. 40y minus 6y is 34y. So we have 48 plus 34y minus 5y squared.